Hey guys, so this is my channel and today I'm painting this Hello Kitty squishy. I thought that was super hard because like the squishy was soaking up the paint and it was really bad texture to paint on, but I think I was doing okay. I'm painting the bow and then I thought it was a bit plain, so I added some chocolate syrup and sprinkles. And I hope you guys like the squishy. This is my first time painting on a squishy. And yeah, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another video of mine. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye.